Kia ora koutou te whānau te umuariki here for KIWI Maori aui te pō. In-house, out there, and online wānanga. Whānau, another opportunity to come and join me this week. Hoia te waka, let's do it together whānau. From beginners, say to intermediate level of proficiency, of learning, we're all here together whānau. Ki mai 5, kupu, kiwaha, kianga, whakatauki, and waiata kinaki. 5 short components to help us with our overall learning of te reo Maori and the use of it. So whānau, in-house here this evening at Te Aratipu at 6:30 p.m, 23 Ihakara Street, Parapara Umu. Whānau, the classes are by contribution of koha. In an envelope would be good. Whakatauki on the front would be even better for you two to learn something and your name on the back. Appreciate it, api mai api atu. Also online tonight whānau, the Zoom, kanohi te kanohi, face-to-face online wānanga for those who can't make it here. Look for the invitation on your Zoom platform tonight and you will have a password to jump in. Here's a clue for your password. Ka pai whānau, look for that password so you can join the hui tonight on the K2K. Look forward to seeing you all, especially you repeat offenders and any new people coming along. Ti hei, mauri ora.